Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to Reefs. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how I was able to make $50 a day for a few months with my Instagram theme pages. Now, I've been getting a lot of comments about the Plug app, and you guys seem to have a lot of questions about how to use the app and how do you actually use it correctly and to actually be able to drive downloads and make a decent amount of money with this app, because I know it's very possible to be able to do, because I was making $50 a day roughly, as you guys can see in these PayPal transactions. And to be honest guys, I didn't have that many followers on Instagram at the time. With all of my theme pages combined, I only had around like 30,000 to 40,000 followers total. My video today is going to be going in depth about how I was actually able to use this app to my advantage and actually be able to drive a lot of traction towards the apps and convert a lot of downloads using my own custom ads and targeting my audience perfectly. I share all of this information for free on this channel for you guys, so in return, if you guys could leave a like, I would really appreciate it. Also, only about 10% of the people watching my videos are subscribed, so if you're not already subscribed, it just takes 1 second. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button and then also turn on notifications so that you guys get a notification when I post a new video. So there's a few ways to make money on Instagram that are really popular with theme pages, and number one would be dropshipping, and number two would be selling promotions. And then the one that I use is this app called the Plug app. It's pretty much an app where you get a bunch of offers for different apps that want you to promote them, and in exchange they will give you a certain amount of dollars or cents per download that you can provide to that app. And the Plug app pretty much is just a hub of different apps where you can find offers to where you can promote these apps, and in exchange you get money per download. I'm sure there's other apps that you can use, but the Plug app is just the one that I personally use, and that's what this video is about. So yeah, also for everyone asking about the Plug app on iOS, it's not currently on Android. However, if you open up your desktop or any computer, you can actually use the Plug app from a website browser, and you can just make an account that way. I do have some referral codes for the Plug app, so I'll leave those in the description and in the pinned comment down below, so that when you sign up, you actually get, I think, a few free Plug coins, which you can exchange for actual cash and pay out to your PayPal. So yeah, go make sure to use those referral codes. It also would help me out a lot with this channel. We are a small channel on YouTube, so that anything I can make, I can reinvest into the content and make better content for you guys. So if you guys could do that, that would be absolutely amazing. Now, before we even get into making ads and picking the correct ad for your page on Instagram, I want you guys to think about what kind of audience you want to target for your ads. That is a really important step that I implemented into my process to convert downloads to these apps, and I want you guys to think about what your page and what kind of audience you're going to be targeting, because this is very important when picking out an app for your audience. You know, obviously if you pick out an iOS game, that would be more targeted towards teens and stuff that actually play video games, rather than, it doesn't really make any sense. Let's say you have a theme page about business or something like that, like business quotes or luxury items. I mean, it doesn't really make sense for you to promote an app like an iOS game. It just doesn't really make sense. So I want you guys to first think about what kind of audience you have on your theme page currently, and what kind of app that they would actually be interested in, because that will narrow it down a lot for you guys and when you're picking an app to promote with the Plug app. And it's just definitely an important part. I want to say, for my theme pages, they were in the teen, TikTok relatable type of content that I was making on those theme pages. And one thing that did very well is a fitness app. A lot of teens are self-conscious about the way that they look, and they are constantly worried about how they look, and they want to get into better shape for summer or wherever. And so a fitness app did very well on my page. And that's actually the targeted app that I used mostly for my theme pages, is because they just seem to really want to download those kinds of apps. So make sure you look at your audience and what your audience actually would be looking for when they're downloading an app, so that they actually want to download the app that you're making an advertisement about. Let's be real, if you pick an app that your audience wouldn't really enjoy or they have no interest in, it doesn't matter how good your advertisement is, they're just not going to be interested in the app. So I want you guys to target your audience, figure out what your audience likes. To be honest, you can do a bunch of test runs with this. It's really easy to make an advertisement and just try it out. And honestly, testing a bunch of different apps is probably going to be the best way to convert downloads, and picking the best app for your audience and then creating a custom ad for that so that you can drive even more downloads. So once you're done with step one, which is targeting the correct audience and correct app to promote to that audience, is number two is going to be actually creating your own custom ad that's not already on the Plug app. The thing is that a lot of people are using the Plug app and a lot of theme pages are, and so a lot of the ads that the Plug app provides already have already been seen. And what's going to happen is when you post an ad that the Plug app has already made, chances are your audience has probably already seen that ad and they've already downloaded it, or they're just going to scroll past, and that's not really good for your engagement, because you want people to engage with your post on Instagram or wherever you're promoting the app. So having your own custom ad is going to drive downloads a lot higher, and it's actually going to get people to engage with your post on Instagram or wherever you make the post, so that your post has a more chance of going viral and doing a lot better and converting a lot more downloads. Currently, I customize the ads that the Plug app already provides for free, and I just add some text, and so when people are scrolling on Instagram, it will actually stand out to them, and it's not something that they're actually seen before, so they won't scroll past it, and you'll actually get them to engage with the post on Instagram and maybe even convert them to download the app. Okay guys, so I'm gonna tell you guys right now about customizing your own ads, and it's not really too difficult or anything. Now I want to tell you guys that I got this original advertisement from the Plug app itself. I just downloaded it, copied the link, and pretty much what I did is I put it into this iPhone editing app called IronShot. It's free on the App Store. I'm not sure if it's on Android, but anyways, it's just like a basic editing software for your iPhone. And pretty much all I did was just add OMG, or I need this OMG, and then I added a face, and then I also made the ratio different on the canvas so that it actually fits, Instagram's, standards for the canvas size and size of video, and so it looks a lot nicer on Instagram. And pretty much, yeah, that's all I did is I just added I need this OMG, and pretty much what that is going to do is when someone actually sees this, they're not gonna, recognize that it's the base ad from the Plug app. They're just gonna see this and they're gonna get like a different perspective on it. Like, I need this OMG. It's like saying, like, I'm the owner of the theme page and I love this app and I need this, pretty much. And that's telling everyone who's scrolling past that they also need it, maybe because I like it myself and they might like it as well. So instead of just seeing the ad, instead of just seeing the ad where it's like, do you want to lose weight or gain muscle, they're also going to see that I need this, saying that I also personally use the ad, and it's like just more personalized and looks better on your Instagram feed. I didn't do too much to this ad, and pretty much after that I just hit save, and then you can pretty much just save in 1080p at 60 FPS if you want to, and then you just hit save. And again, this editing software is free, and the Plug app's also free. So that was kind of the second thing I wanted to talk about, is creating your own custom ads. I think this is really important for driving conversions, especially since the Plug app's been around for a while and a lot of people have already seen the existing ads that they've already made. So making your own ad is going to add your own spin on things and convert more downloads, hopefully, depending on how well you're able to target your audience. And so there's not really much to say about this, to be honest. This is exactly what I was doing with my theme pages to make $50 a day. And a lot of people have also been asking me, do I make like a post and then on the second slide, do I promote the app? And the answer to that is actually no. I was just posting it as a straight feed post. This was before Reels, of course. And I was just posting it as a straight feed post, and it was getting similar engagement to the rest of my content. I think this is due to just making your own custom ad and like customizing it yourself and showing that you're willing to put in the effort for your audience so that they actually want to download the ad. And yeah, so I didn't put it on the second slide or anything. Of course, I tried that, and it didn't show any difference. I think if you just post it as just a regular post with no other content, it will do well if your ad's targeted well enough that your audience won't even recognize that it's an ad. And that's kind of the whole purpose of customizing your own ad, is so that they don't even recognize it's an ad until the end, and then they're really interested in downloading the app. I wanted to make this video because a lot of you guys seem to have questions about the Plug app and such. So yeah, if you guys are interested in downloading the Plug app, you can go do it. I'm not sponsored or being paid by them. Also, if you guys want to use my referral codes, that would be awesome as well. They're in the description below and also in the pinned comments section. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for today's video, guys. If you guys have any questions, I'm happy to answer them in the comments below. Anyways, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe with post notifications turned on for more videos. And thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Reefs, and peace out, YouTube.